price this report is $349,900, and homes for sale rose 19.8% over last year this same time. It's Friday, November 1st, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Active inventory for sale fell this week to 1,848, though fewer properties are set to hit the market, dropping to 109. New contracts fell this week to 166, going under contract in 26 days. 144 homes settled at 97.3% list to sold ratio, with days on the market of 17. Lease inventory rose again this week to 140 for lease, remaining consistent at $2,000 median per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, November 1st, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.